Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're showing you how to do a lash lift in 4 simple steps, quick, easy, and super satisfying. Step 1. Prep and protect. Clean your lash. Place your under eye pads. And pick the right silicone shield for your lash length. Step 2. Lift and stick. Apply lash glue to the shield. Then gently brush your lash upward, neat, separated, and ready to lift. Step 3. Apply solutions. First, apply the lifting lotion and let it process. Remove it carefully. Then apply the setting lotion to lock that curl in place. Step 4. Nourish and reveal. Add a nourishing serum. Remove the shield and brush through for that perfect lifted look. And that's it in natural, curled lash in minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips.